We got a 2014 F-150 Raptor. All keys are lost. We leash-keyed the door lock to get our key. All keys lost. Standard procedures, waiting 10 minutes for security access. Now it says there are 2 learned keys. It's gonna clear them. We're already done with the 10 minutes wait. Erasing keys. 0 keys, erasing successful. Before that, we already programmed a remote to exit the alarm or to turn the alarm off so we can enter the system. The engine will not start until complete following steps. It needs 2 keys. Turn ignition off. Turn on first key, 3 seconds and remove. That should be the first key. And now turn the next key for 3 seconds. Here we go. After we finish, confirm that learned keys can start the engine and runs at least for 5 seconds. This is the first key. Here's our second key. Learning complete. For those who don't know how to get the keypad code, you just go here, switch ignition on, and this code right here will help us exit the alarm system or turn off the alarm on Fords, Lincolns, Mercury if they had the keypad on the outside door. That's it for today.